people have used psychometric tools to actually help
Yes.
unravel and help people with career discovery. But when you combine genetics, which is nature, and you combine it with psychometrics, which is nurture, which is your environment, you get a very powerful combination. Now, what we realized was that there was going to be a challenge that in case science tells you, genetics tells you that, I'm going to be an excellent data scientist.
Right.
And psychometrics, or let's say genetics says that I'm high on creativity.
Right.
Now, what's happened is that, I'm giving you an example, I have now gotten into the wrong career, right? I've gotten into a BPO, right, where there is a routine, mundane job where I'm not using my creative skills. Now, if I did a psychometric assessment, it may not necessarily represent my true personality, my true behavior, and the fact that I have high creativity genetically, right? So there could be a difference, and which is really where we needed a third science to actually basically validate what is correct. Is nature correct? Is nurture correct? And what is the natal strength of a person saying? And which is very where we brought in astromancy. And our astromancy is nothing but astrology, but which has been automated, which is using a statistical data model. Astromancy.
Okay.
Right?
It's a new concept or something?
No, it is nothing but astrology, but focusing only on the personality, behavior, and the aptitude of a person to actually help discover a person's personality. What we are doing is we're using three sciences to actually help unravel and what we follow, what is called the ocean methodology. Ocean is really openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. So effectively, we get 5 aspects of a person's personality. We get scores from genetics, we get scores from psychometrics, and we get scores from astromancy. And then we take a combined picture and we get a far more accurate assessment of a person's personality than a standalone science would provide. DNA on its own will not provide you all the answers. Psychometrics on its own will not provide you all the answers. But when you take a combined view of it, you get a very accurate picture and of what a person's true personality really is.